Hi, I'm Jason Buffington from Veeam, here with my friend and colleague, Matt Carpenter.
Hi, I'm Matt Carpenter. I'm the technical director for Microsoft at Veeam, and I've been working with the Microsoft Veeam relationship for the last 10 years. Basically, the history of it. It's been a long, tenured relationship between the days of System Center to Hyper-V, and now we're moving to the cloud.
And I was formerly an MVP. I had 7 years as a Blue Badge at Microsoft with the file and storage features in Windows and System Center Data Protection Manager. But now we're both at Veeam.
Absolutely.
And Veeam does a lot of different things with Microsoft. So at our sessions at Microsoft Ignite, we're going to be going through several different scenarios. The first one is around the data center. The data center is not going away.
No,
right?
it's definitely not.
But the data center in 2020 is going to be multi-hypervisor, it's going to be multi-OS, there's going to be a wide range of applications, and we're going to talk about some of the architecture drivers leading towards that for 2020.
And I'm going to be showing you what it looks like to back up a lot of these Microsoft native applications running on all these different platforms and hypervisors, and even in the cloud.
Then we're going to talk about the cloud. You know, a lot of organizations are not yet ready to run production in the cloud yet, but most organizations, when they first start out, will start out by backing up to it, right? Azure makes a great repository for the cloud. And so we're going to talk about how to get your data up there and why.
We've integrated and we've actually taken our Sober repositories and added a cloud tier to it. So now we can actually put data and tier it out into Azure Blob.
A sober repository is compared to a drunken repository.
It depends on what you drank last night.
Before or after the Veeam party?
Should be.
Okay. Third scenario we're going to talk about is actually, okay, now it's time to actually move your production workloads into the cloud. And whether you're doing that reactively as part of disaster recovery or as part of a digital transformation, IT modernization, hybrid cloud implementation, whatever that happens to be, we're going to help you get there.
What I'm going to show you is that no matter whether you're on VMware, Hyper-V, AHV, physical, it's going to be in the Veeam backup format, which means we can do a direct restore to Azure, which means we can get those workloads from on-premises to Azure, either in a planned or unplanned migration. Planned being, I'm going to move it. Unplanned being, I kind of have to move it now.
And then certainly when we talk about hybrid and cloud and the modern data center, that strategy includes things like SaaS. Office 365 has some capabilities built in that allow for better resiliency, but that does not absolve you of the need for backup. So we're going to show that, right?
One of the great things about us when we do Office 365 backup is how easy it is to restore. So I'm definitely going to show you that down to a granular level, a mailbox item, a SharePoint piece, all of those I'm going to be able to show you really easily.
And then lastly, we get to be the first ones to show you.
And I am so excited about because you can there are just so many. So I'm really excited to show you at Ignite.
That is going to be awesome. What else is going to be awesome? You got to have the Veeam party.
Absolutely, and I heard you're going to play jazz flute.
You heard wrong.
Oh.
So when you come to Microsoft Ignite, make sure to come by booth 1133 to see Veeam. Our theater session and breakout session are on Monday and Wednesday. Times and locations may vary. Are we allowed to talk about?
Oh well.